So here in Warrensburg, New York, there's a couple of grocery stores that are a little less common than what we've been used to. One of them is this here, is the Grand Union. Pretty decent sized grocery store inside. I liked how their produce section, they actually put down like a wood floor and a dark ceiling. It's like if you do that, you make your grocery stores feel new and hip, which it actually worked. I mean, it's, you know, kind of lying to your brain, but overall, I mean, it made it feel like a newer grocery store. If you join the Red Dot Club, I think is what it's called, you can actually go and get savings. Some of the savings were almost ridiculous, like $3 for a dozen eggs, but if you're in the Red Dot Club, you can only pay $1.50. But the $3 almost felt like it was more expensive than some of the other ones. So seemed like some tomfoolery going on with some of the prices there maybe. For us, well, I was checking out and I'm like, I'm not a member. They don't have a card. You actually just get a phone number assigned to it, which of course means they're gonna be texting you later. Tania was actually filling it out and getting access. So they have a little number pad where you can type in your number and access your potential savings and I guess earn points towards who knows what. Overall, it was a decent grocery store. If you had to use this one, I think they've got you covered for the things that you need to buy. The selection was pretty decent. I would say so-so. I've seen less. It's definitely better than if all you had was a Dollar General to go to. I would definitely use this grocery store if I had to. I felt like the service was nice. The store was decent size. There was several times where it was tough getting up and down the aisles, but, well, I shouldn't say it wasn't too bad where we had to pass each other. I've been in some places where the aisles were so tight you almost struggled to get past each other. Decent grocery store, but let's check out the other grocery store in town, and that is the Price Chopper. Oh, by the way, Grand Union does have paper bags in case you forget your bags that you need to bring. I did not ask whether or not he would bag them for me though. That's a trend that I'm noticing. Some will bag them for you and some will not have anything to do with that, including Walmart. Walmart is not going to help you bag. The cashier is going to look at you crazy. In fact, I said I wanted to put it to the test. It's like, what if I just stood there and stared at them with my groceries just laying there? What's going to happen? Is the manager going to come out and have a stern talking to me as if I'm an employee that works there not doing my job? I'm out here in the parking lot now of Price Chopper. This is also in Warrensburg, so you've got a couple different options for grocery stores in Warrensburg, New York. And this is obviously a part of a bigger chain. This has been the store we've gone to more frequently because if you follow our channel, you'll know that Kaylin really enjoys the banana almond milk, and this place has it. The selection here is quite a bit better than the other location, the Union. I can't even remember the name now, Grand Union. They have a much better selection here over the other grocery store that's in town. One of the things too that I really appreciated here is as you pulled up with your cart and you have your own bags for bagging, the cashier asks you, may I have your bags? And I can start to bag for you as I check you out. Hey, that's some pretty awesome customer service, because as I've said, like the Walmarts around here, they just look at you like you have 5 heads if you expect them to do any of the bagging. the customer's job. So this is one of those things where I would say, price-wise, if you go to a place like Walmart, you're paying less for less service. So if you pay a little bit more here, it may be not only the fact that you didn't have to drive as far, as this is less than 2 miles from the campground that we're staying at, but you're also getting a service, a very good service. The staff here at Price Chopper have been excellent. Overall, the produce, the bakery, meat department, everything looks terrific. We've enjoyed this grocery store. Been here several times, enjoyed going up and down the aisles. They've pretty much, for the most part, had just about everything we needed, with the exception of like the vitamins. I tried coming up here to get some more melatonin the other day, and they didn't have what we like. There's a few other basic things. Oh, Vivarin. Every once in a while we like to have like a Vivarin or a Stay Awake knockoff. They didn't have anything. I was able to get those kind of items from the Dollar General in town. You know, if you're wondering why I've never shown you a Dollar General inside, let me know if you've ever seen one Dollar General that looked different from a different Dollar General. They're probably the most consistent out of any store that I've seen. Yeah, the aisles might have things in slightly different places, but it seems like everywhere I go, Dollar General is the same. Yeah, we'll walk around and show you the inside of this Price Chopper. I'm working in time against some fast-moving heavy rain right here. I wanted to get over here and get this done real quick before it starts pouring again. Yeah, I think that the 2023 summer season is going to be the season of rain for our family. That's might be what we call it. Hey, you remember that summer when it rained everywhere we went, constantly, all this time, non-stop? All right, let me go check out Price Chopper and check back in with you in a little bit. couple things I wanted to add real quick about Price Chopper, or at least one important one, is I like the layout. After you get through the produce and bakery section, they start you off with like soap and medicine, and you work your way back towards the eggs and milk in the back. I think that that's just genius. I think that more grocery stores should think that through. I don't want to go through and get all my cold stuff first. I want to get that last, so it stays in the freezer as long as possible before I check out. And I will say too that customer service at Price Chopper is top-notch. Every time I've been here, the cashiers, the workers, they're all very pleasant, very nice, very ready and willing to help and work. and just provide great service to the customer. So yeah, if you get the opportunity to go to Price Chopper, I recommend it. And if you want to take advantage of signing up for their little card, if you don't, they'll scan you in and you'll still get the deal. You just don't get the points. What the points do for you, I don't know. All right, well, this rain is coming quickly. Gonna bear down on us. We're already getting notifications from the campground that they're modifying activities for the day because they know the rain is coming and it's gonna be heavy. So I probably should head home. Right, Tanya?
Yes.
So we're gonna head back to the camper and probably have another Friday evening indoors doing inside things, hiding from the rain. We'll see how this goes. Oh, drip's coming down. All right, remember, life happens, even grocery shopping, because you're hungry. Don't let that stop you. Stay fresh, cheese bags.